YouTube. I know I got some work to do on this car. I got some parts ordered, but right now I'm just going to make a quick little video showing you what I'm going to be doing to the car for the next video. It's going to be a drastic change, so I'm going to start with the front and work my way to the back. First thing first is I'm going to be changing the front bumper to one from a 2002. I just like that bumper, the front end, better. The lights and everything will still fit. It'll be just I'll have to change the grill right here to one from a earlier model, because it's rounder at the bottom instead of square like this. And I'm going to put the lip on it, and the lip's going to stay black for this reason right here. If you notice, I painted the side skirts body color a while ago. While I like that, I decided to paint them back black, and then I'm going to put like these little wing skirts on the sides right here, one on each side. They're going to be black. I don't want it to look all ricer and stuff, just make it look like I put a body kit on it, but actually I didn't. And just keep it as mild as possible. And in the back, if you haven't noticed, the back bumper is from a 2002, not a 2007. I had black tips put on. I'm not sure if it's going to be the quads, the singles like this, or some rectangle ones, but I'm going to put black tips in the back. That should complete the overall look that I want from the outside of the car. And we'll see what happens on the next video when I put everything together. Until then, I'll see you.